Welcome back to Cooking with KP, and today we're going to be doing Kupus, Speck, Krompir. Okay, basically cabbage with smoked speck and a potato. Really simple dish to do, nice Balkan type dish. Alright, let's just get on with it. Okay, alright, cabbage, we're going to take a nice little wedge off that just to make things a little bit easier. We're going to cut that down, and all we're simply going to do, I'm going to put that through my mandolin. Alright, so we're going to cook that or cut that really nice and fine. I'm going to use my lowest setting on this so it's really fine, and it will cook very, very quickly. If you want to do the slower version, just cut it up with a knife, but we're going to do a quick one. 5 potatoes, giving that into little cubes, right? And I'm going to add in 1 litre worth of chicken stock. Look, just store-bought. I'm not going to make my own for this particular dish, and by using the chicken stock, we're not going to need any salt or any other seasonings. Right, so to put that in, put that on the stove, let that boil for about 20 minutes or so, or until they are done. In the meantime, a little bit of butter into a pan, and here I've got our shredded cabbage, and we're going to put that straight into a pan and just let that start to cook down. As you can see, I'm using pretty low heat at the moment, and I can adjust my heat up and down to compete with Mrs. KP doing the potato. 200 grams worth of smoked speck, which I'm just going to sprinkle around over the top, and as it heats up, it's going to start releasing all the oils from the fat, and that's going to really flavour up our cabbage. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper to taste if you wish. I would go easy on the salt at this point. A little dash of dried dill, that's going to sort of emulsify into everything as we go. Give that a stir from time to time, and make sure everyone gets to know each other really well. And I want a little bit of brownage happening on my cabbage. Alright, so as I said, just come back every now and then, give it a little bit of a stir, and the smell coming out of this pan is absolutely amazing. Alright, and this dish, as you can see, very few ingredients and so easy to do. Alright, as you can see, I'm starting to get a little bit of colour happening on my cabbage, my kupus, and I think I'm getting pretty much ready to finish off this stage of the dish. Alright, I'm going to turn that off, put that somewhere just nice and warm on a very low heat, and Mrs. KP's already strained off our potatoes, and I'm just going to get a potato masher, and we're just going to give that a little bit of a rough mash. We don't want creamy, smooth type mash. We want some texture in there. We want a little bit of butter, and I'm using up the last of that crappy Woolworths American made butter for this one, and because I don't want to use that for anything that tastes amazing. So we're just going to give that a little bit of a smush. We're going to serve that up, put a nice little mound down of our potato, okay, our Krompir, and we're going to put down our Kupus and speck over the top, now cabbage and smoked speck over the top, just like that. And before you know it, 20 minutes, you've got Kupus, Speck, Krompir. Absolutely beautiful. That is your cabbage with smoked speck and potato. Really simple to do. You can do that any time of the year. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, really do. And hit that subscribe button so makes you feel warm and fuzzy. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You're notified every time a new video goes up, and share the video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make a nice, really easy Balkan dish just like this one, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat this. It tastes mad. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.